When to use continuous infinitive? We know that in English some verbs are followed by infinitive. But the verbs like pretend, seem, appear, must, would, happen, etc. can be followed by continuous infinitive as well. Continuous infinitive is used to describe an action happening now or at a stated time in past. For example, you pretend to be listening to me. It describes a situation when a student is not listening to me, but she's trying to show that she's carefully listening. Another example, he seems to be thinking about his problem. It means that I don't know exactly what he is thinking about, but I'm sure that he's thinking about his problem. Where is your friend? He must be working. Today is Monday. It means that I don't have the exact information, but as it is Monday, I can conclude that he is working today. I'm almost sure that he is working. As you see, I'm not saying you are not listening or he's thinking, she's working. Yeah, I'm saying you pretend to be listening. He seems to be thinking. And she must be working. So what infinitive actually is? It is the first form of the verb. Yeah, play, sleep, walk, work, cut, drink. And I'm using the action in continuous infinitive. Be sleeping, be listening, be drinking, be walking, be thinking. You must be working. She seems to be listening. He appears to be working. I can use the same form for the past. He pretended to be reading. My sister is so lazy. She pretended to be studying. I hope the explanation was clear for you. And if you like my videos, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. For more videos, leave a comment how well you understood this material. And if you want me to explain anything related to English, just leave a comment and I'll try to respond to you with a video.